Our journey begins at one of the largest cocoa farms in the world. Here, cocoa trees are grown in ideal conditions and carefully tended for many months to ensure the highest quality. Once the cocoa pods have ripened perfectly, workers start the harvesting process by hand. They select the cocoa pods with the best size, color, and flavor. The chosen pods are then collected and placed into large containers, ready for transportation. On the way to the processing area, the cocoa pods are cleaned of any dirt and debris. At the processing facility, automated cutting machines split the pods open, separating the pulp and the beans. The cocoa beans are then separated and go through a drying process. The beans are naturally sun-dried, a process that helps them develop a protective shell. After drying, the beans are quality checked for moisture content and texture to ensure they are ready for roasting. Next, the cocoa beans are placed in roasting machines, where high temperatures crack the outer shell. Once roasted, separation machines sort the cocoa beans from the husks, yielding pure cocoa beans. These beans are then sent to grinding machines to be processed into cocoa powder, the main ingredient for chocolate and Nutella. Sugar is an essential ingredient that gives Nutella its signature sweetness. The process starts with harvesting sugar beets, a common crop in temperate regions. The beets are harvested in the fall when their sugar content is at its peak. Heavy machinery is used to gather the beets and transport them to the processing plant. At the plant, the sugar beets go through a thorough cleaning process. Any impurities, such as dirt and leaves, are completely removed. After cleaning, the beets are chopped into small pieces and enter the sugar extraction phase. By boiling and filtering, the sugar is separated from the beet juice. The final product is pure white sugar, which undergoes quality checks before being sieved and packaged. Milk is a crucial component in the Nutella recipe, giving the spread its creamy, smooth texture. Nutella sources its milk exclusively from well-cared-for dairy cows. The farms that supply milk to Nutella maintain the highest standards of animal care, with lush, green pastures where the cows graze freely. The cows are regularly checked for health and are kept in a stress-free environment, as it is believed that happy cows produce higher quality milk. Once the milk is harvested, it is immediately chilled to preserve its freshness and transported to the factory. Here, the milk undergoes rigorous quality checks, including tests for fat content, protein levels, and microbiological analysis. Only when the milk meets all quality standards is it approved for use in Nutella's production line. Hazelnuts are a key ingredient that gives Nutella its distinctive taste. Turkey is the world's largest producer of hazelnuts, renowned for its sweet, flavorful nuts rich in natural oils. When the harvest season arrives, the hazelnut trees are shaken by machinery, causing the nuts to fall to the ground. Workers then gather the hazelnuts and transport them to the processing facility. At the facility, the hazelnuts are washed and then roasted to enhance their flavor. Once the nuts are fully roasted, their shells naturally crack open, making it easier to separate the kernel. After shelling, the hazelnuts are ground into a smooth, rich paste, ready to be blended into Nutella. Palm oil is a vital ingredient that contributes to the smooth, creamy texture of Nutella and helps prevent it from solidifying during storage. The production of palm oil begins on large tropical plantations, mainly in Indonesia and Malaysia, the leading producers of palm oil globally. The palm fruits are harvested when they reach optimal ripeness. The fruit clusters can weigh up to 110 pounds 50 kilograms and contain thousands of small fruits. Workers use long sickles to cut down the clusters, or in more advanced farms, machines are used for the harvesting process. Once at the factory, the palm fruit clusters are sterilized with high-temperature steam. This process not only softens the fruits, but also kills bacteria, ensuring food safety. After sterilization, the fruits are separated from the clusters using vibrating and air-blowing machines. The fruits are then fed into powerful hydraulic presses, which extract the oil from the pulp. The crude palm oil, which has a reddish hue and contains impurities, is then refined. It goes through filtration and heat treatment to remove solid particles, unwanted odors, and excessive color. The refined palm oil is a light yellow, neutral in flavor, perfect for use in food products like Nutella. Finally, the pure palm oil undergoes quality checks to ensure it meets the highest standards. It is then transported to the Nutella production facility, ready for the mixing stage. The production of Nutella begins once all the main ingredients are gathered: cocoa powder, hazelnut paste, sugar, milk powder, and palm oil. This stage is crucial for creating Nutella's signature flavor and creamy texture. First, the hazelnut paste is added to a large industrial mixer, where it is combined with pure cocoa powder. Powerful blades rotate at high speeds to fully blend these two ingredients, forming a dense, aromatic mixture. Next, pure white sugar and milk powder are added. The milk powder provides a creamy, rich flavor, enhancing the smooth consistency of the spread. A critical step in this process is temperature control. The mixer is kept at a stable temperature, not too high, to preserve the delicate flavors of the hazelnuts and cocoa, but warm enough to ensure the palm oil integrates seamlessly into the mixture. The palm oil is added gradually, making the blend even smoother and easier to mix. The mixing process lasts between 6 to 12 hours, depending on the batch size and temperature conditions. During this time, the mixture is continuously stirred and checked periodically to achieve the ideal smoothness. The finished Nutella mixture is then analyzed using modern quality control methods to ensure it is free of any impurities or graininess. When the mixture is perfected, it is poured into glass jars, sealed tightly, and labeled automatically. The entire process takes place in a controlled environment to preserve the flavor and ensure food safety. The completed jars of Nutella are then packed and prepared for shipment to supermarkets worldwide. Our journey through the production lines of delicious treats has come to an end. We hope you enjoyed discovering how Nutella and other sweet products are made. If you love seeing more automated production processes and want to keep exploring exciting content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.